Hello, my name is John Board, and today we're going to make a very special cocktail for the holidays. It's Pecan Pie Martini, and it has bourbon, rum shata, cream de cocoa, and the best pecans around from Green Valley Pecans. First, we're going to start with a quarter cup of pecans and just put them in a baggie, and you just want to kind of break them apart with your fingers. Again, these will be put on the rim of the glass with some warm caramel sauce. As you've crushed the pecans, you just want to make sure they're all kind of small, having a little mixture of tiny pieces and some other chunks. And then what we're going to do is warm up a little caramel sauce, and this is cajeta sauce from Mexico. And first, we'll put this in the microwave, just warm it for about 10-15 seconds, and then we'll rim the glass, first with caramel, and then put it in the nuts. So we just warmed the caramel sauce just slightly, so it has just a little softness to it. And then we're going to take a martini glass and just rim the glass, and kind of roll it around like a wheel. You want to make sure you get some of the caramel on both the outside and the inside. And this will help the pecans stick to the rim. And having the caramel sauce warm just makes it easy to coat. Now we're going to stick it in the pecans. Same thing, kind of press it into the plate and then also roll it around the rim. The recipe includes 3 ounces of bourbon. Today we're going to use a little Maker's Mark from Kentucky. And pour that into a shaker filled with ice. And then add 6 ounces of rum shata. And this is great just by itself. And then 6 ounces of cream de cocoa. If you like chocolate and bourbon, this drink's for you. Shaken or stirred? We're going to shake this mixture up here a little bit. Get ready for the holidays with the Pecan Pie Martini. It feels nice and chilled, so here we go. Once you pour the martini, then before you serve it, just add a little bit of whipped cream and top that off with a little cinnamon. And there you go, the Pecan Pie Martini from Tupac.